Hello students, today we will discuss about the chain rule, how to find the derivative using chain rule. In first year syllabus, or that is in class 11, we have studied what is the condition of differentiability and many more formulas of derivative. Using those formulas, we can find the derivative using chain rule. Now, what is chain rule? Why chain rule and when chain rule is applied? See here, when chain rule is applied, a function inside another function or composite function. Suppose a function is inside another function, or it is the composition of two functions, which you will study in the function chapter, what is GOF and FOG. Let y equal to GOF x, that means g of f of x, or y equal to fog x, that is f of g of x, or y equal to g of f of h of x equal to g of f of chain bracket h of x. In these cases, the chain rule is applied. Why chain rule is applied? Because the inside function is not the independent variable, that is x or v or t or theta or z, etc., with respect to which the derivative is sought. That means if the derivative is asked with respect to which variable it is given. Suppose it is given, find the derivative with respect to x, then x is the independent variable. Suppose it is asked to find the derivative with respect to theta, then theta will be the independent variable. See here, dy by dx, suppose it is asked for dy by dx, then the upper variable y is called dependent variable and the lower variable x is called independent variable. Similarly, for du by dv, u is called dependent variable, v is called independent variable. So, when the derivative is asked with respect to x or with respect to v, we have to see that whether the inside function is that independent variable or not. If not, then chain rule is applied. Now, what is the chain rule? Derivative of outside function keeping inside function as it into derivative of inside function keeping the function inside that also as it into dot dot so on till the inside function is independent variable. Now see here, this is the GOF x. So the inside function is what? F of x. The inside function is the f of x, not exactly x. So our independent variable x is the inside f of x, inside the function f, not inside g. So when we have to find the derivative of GOF, we have to adjust it with respect to the inside function. See here, for y equal to GOF x, dy by dx equal to d by dx g of f of x. Therefore, the inside function is f of x, outside function is g. So we have to first find the derivative of outside function keeping inside function as it, and then derivative of inside function with respect to the independent variable if the inside function has the independent variable. Otherwise, we have to again adjust the inside variable or inside function with respect to d of that. See here, d by dx is g of f of x, so inside function is f of x. So I adjust dx as a dfx because the inside function is f of x, so it is a dfx. Here dfx is divided, so dfx is multiplied, then dx remain as it. So here there is an adjustment, dfx in the denominator and dfx in the numerator. So we can write this as dg by df and this is as df by dx. So the derivative unknown function is denoted by prime So it is denoted by g dash f of x into f dash x. Similarly, for y equal to suppose g of f of h of x, composition of three functions. Here dy by dx equal to d by dx of that composition. So we can adjust it as the inside function is first function is what? The outside function is g, then inside function is f, then inside function is h. So first we have to find the derivative of outside function, then we have to find the derivative of inside function. So the inside f of h of x is adjusted in the denominator and numerator, f of h of x, f of h of x. Again the inside function is what? Inside of f is h of x, so dh of x into dh of x. In the last it is dx. So here the dy by dx, this dx is kept at the end, and in between the inside functions are multiplied and divided till we get the independent variable. Here is written derivative of outside function keeping inside function as it into derivative of inside function dot dot so on till the inside function is the independent variable. Here the inside function is in first case f of h of x, in second case the inside function is h of x, in third case the inside function is only variable x. So till we get the independent variable x, we have to adjust it. That is why this is called outside inside rule. That means first we have to find the derivative of outside function, then we have to find the inside function. And it is also known as the extra derivative rule, because in the first year class you know that d by dx of suppose sin x, its answer is cos x. What is it? Here see, inside that function is x, here also x. These are same. Inside function independent variable, it is asked for derivative with respect to independent variable. So the answer is cos x. But here if it is not x, suppose here is x squared or x cube or any other function, then we have to use chain rule and we have to find some more derivatives, some extra derivatives. That is why this is called extra derivative rule. Here I have first found the derivative of outside function, then into derivative of inside function. So some more derivatives are determined. That is why this is called extra derivative rule. Now see, for your clarity, what is gulf and fog, I will discuss little bit. Let f of x equal to x squared, g of x equal to e to the power x, then y equal to gulf x. How gulf is determined? See here, O means of g of f of x, so it is bracket f of x. Here f of x equal to what? X squared. So instead of f of x, I substitute x squared. Now it is written as a g of t, where t equal to x squared. I took t equal to x squared. Now g of t, look at the structure of g. What is the structure of g? G of x equal to e to the power x. If we take g of t here, it will get e to the power t. If we take g of u, it will be e to the power u. G of something equal to e to the power something. So my g of t becomes e to the power t. But t is nothing but x squared. So e to the power t equal to e to the power x squared. Again y equal to fog x. So f of g of x equal to f of e to the power x. Now I took e to the power x equal to u. So it becomes f of u. Now see the structure of f. What is the structure of f? F of x equal to x squared, f of u equal to u squared, f of v equal to v squared, f of something equal to something squared. So u square means put u equal to e to the power x here. It becomes e to the power x whole square, which equal to e to the power 2x. So gulf equal to e to the power x squared, fog equal to e to the power 2x. They are not equal. Gulf generally not equal to fog. So derivative of gulf x not equal to derivative of fog x. I have written here as notes. Now we will see how the derivative is determined using chain rule. Now I will take few examples. You will clear how the chain rule is applied. Example 1 is, suppose y equal to e to the power x square. Find dy by dx. So our independent variable is what? Our independent variable is x. Now look at that function. Whether the function contains inside is only x? No, it is x square. Here we have determined as e to the power x square. Our outside function is e to the power x. Inside function is x square. So their composition is e to the power x square. But it is asked for x. So we have to apply chain rule. Therefore, dy by dx equal to d by dx. Y means e to the power x square. Now, what is the formula for d by dx e to the power x? You know in the first year, d by dx of e to the power x equal to e to the power x. This is the formula. And this formula tells that if this equal to this, then the formula is applicable. No need of chain rule. But if this is not same the independent variable, we have to apply the chain rule. Here our independent variable is x, but here is x square. So we have to adjust like this one. D of outside by d inside function into d inside function by dx. Here d outside function is d of dx square. This function is it into dx square by dx. Here with dx square we have adjusted because this is not our exactly independent variable x. Now apply this formula. See here, whatever the power of e is same as the variable in the denominator, in the lower part. Here x square. So we can apply derivative of e to the power something equal to itself. So its answer is e to the power x square. Now see this. Then we have to recall the formula d by dx of x to the power of n, whose derivative is nx to the power n minus 1. This formula also states that this variable and this variable are same. So we can apply nx to the power n minus 1. This is independent variable, this is independent variable. Here are x and x. So no need of again use chain rule in the next step. In the next step, our process terminates. How to know that the process terminates and when we will terminate the chain rule? When we get the derivative of the function having exactly equal to independent variable. Here we get exactly independent variable x here with respect to x. So the process terminates. Now use this formula, which is 2x to the power 2 minus 1 equal to e to the power x square into 2x. This is the extra derivative because we found some extra derivatives as here the extra part is 2 to the power x, 2x. Now see the next example, y equal to sine inverse 2x. Therefore dy by dx equal to d by dx. Y means sine inverse 2x. See, what is the formula of sine? At any moment, you have to remember the derivative formulas. Unless you remember the formula of derivatives thoroughly, we cannot use chain rule or do not do anything. Suppose it is asked for d by dx of sine inverse x. What is this formula? 1 by 1 minus x square root over. So this formula is 1 by 1 minus x square root over mod x less than 1. This is the condition. Here this C, here is x, here is also x. Both variables are same. Means the independent variable is inside the function. Then we can use this formula. But here what is the independent variable, the function inside another function is 2x. But it is given for x. So we have to adjust that part in the denominator. D of d2x. This is the question as it is sin inverse 2x into d2x by dx. Now use that formula. Why? Because this part is the same as this part. What is the formula? Therefore 1 by 1 minus 2x whole square into derivative of 2x means 2 is a constant that goes outside, only there is x. So dx by dx means the independent variable x and the function is also x. Dx is 1. Cancel out, therefore derivative of x is 1. 2 into 1 which is equal to 2 by 1 minus 4 x square root over. This is the chain rule. Here, what is chain rule? How is it used? And the answers. But in examination, it is required to find the answer from the question directly. Because it is of 1 mark or it may be used in 4 mark or 6 mark. So no need to adjust this type. Only for your understanding, we have adjusted. But see how to find this answer directly from this. See here, derivative of e to the power x equal to e to the power x means derivative of e to the power something equal to e to the power something. See, e to the power something is what? E to the power x square. So derivative of e to the power something is e to the power something. Again, see the something. If the something is only independent variable, the process terminates. No need to do extra. If the independent, if that something part is not independent variable, we have to again differentiate. The something part is x square. So you have to differentiate x square. X square derivative is 2x. Now go inside x. Now we get x only. So independent variable is obtained. Process terminates. Similarly, see here, sin inverse of something, answer is 1 by 1 minus something squared. So 1 by 1 minus something squared. Is it something independent variable? Exactly no, it is 2x. So you have to differentiate 2x as extra. So derivative of 2x is 2 constant, derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So directly from this to this, we can write. Now take another example so that you will be clear. Some complicated example. D by let y equal to a to the power sin x root. This is also another root. A to the power root sin of root x, again whole root. We have to find this derivative. Now dy by dx equal to d by dx of y means what? A to the power sin root x whole root. Now what is the formula here applied? We have to remember the formula of d by dx of root x, whose formula is 1 by 2 root x. That means from the formula x to the power n, it is obtained. Remember this formula? This formula says that 1 by 2 root x when? If these two are same, inside the root over and the independent variable are same. But here in the inside the root over this much, but the independent variable only x. They are not same. Therefore, we have to adjust as d by d inside. What inside? A to the power sin root x root of the question as it sine root x root whole root. Now the inside is adjusted in the denominator. Again multiply it in the numerator. D of a to the power sine root x root by, we can write dx directly, but if we do like this, the third one, g of f of h of x, here inside there are two functions. In some cases it may be 4 functions, 5 functions, many functions. Then we have to adjust as it like dg by df into df by dh into dh by dx. Now again look at the inside. Inside means a to the power something. So write the formula d by dx of a to the power x. This formula is a to the power x into ln a. Here a to the power something should be independent variable. If not, we have to adjust. Here what is the power of a root sine root x. This is not the exactly independent variable x. So you have to adjust again it. Therefore this is written as d sine root x root. So it is divided means it should be multiplied. D root sine root x by, we can write dx. But again look at the inside. What is the inside function? Inside root inside is what? Sine root x, not exactly x. So the root inside is sine root x means you have to again adjust as sine root x. As it is divided, it should be multiplied. D sine root x. Now look at the inside variable. Inside variable is root x, not exactly x. If it is exactly x, we can write here dx. When you get the independent variable x or independent variable t, etc., you can write it directly as by dx or by dt. If not, you should be adjust in every step. Now the inside variable is what? Root x. So now write d root x. Divided means multiplied by d root x. Now what is the variable inside root? This is the x. So our process terminates. We can write here dx. See here, this dx will be at the end. And how long it will extend? Till our last function, last inside function is exactly the independent variable x. If it is asked for d by dx, if it is asked for d by dt, the last must be t. If it is asked for d by du, the last function or the last inside function must be exactly independent variable u. So here the process terminates. Now what is the formula? Apply here root over. I have already written d by dx of root over x equal to 1 by 2 root x. Means 1 by 2 root whatever the function. So this is 1 by 2 root whatever is given, a to the power sine root x root. This is the formula. Now see a to the power something. A to the power something means constant to the power variable. Constant to the power variable means this formula. This formula is what? A to the power something derivative is itself into ln the base. So this answer is itself a to the power sine root x whole root into ln a. If it is 2, we write ln 2. If it is 3, write ln 3. Now see, root over sine root x means root over means this formula again applicable. What formula? 1 by 2 root. 1 by 2 root, what is there? Sine root x. Now here d by dx sine root x, the derivative of sine x is cos x. When if these are same, if it is not x, if it is anything or some other parts in comparison to the independent variable, we have to extend. So here I have extended another part. Therefore sin root x is cos root x. Again derivative of root x. Root x is 1 by 2 root x. Now see the inside function is, or the inside variable is x, independent variable. We reached at the independent, so the process terminates. This is the answer of this one. But directly how we will get? See, need not to adjust this much. After well acquainted with that chain rule, we can find directly. See, y equal to root over of something, so its derivative is 1 by 2 root something. Use this formula. Again go inside. What is the inside function? A to the power of something. The a to the power of something derivative is a to the power of something into ln of the base. So this a to the power of something derivative is a to the power of something into ln a. Now go to the power, the exponent, root over of something, root over of sine. So root of something is again 1 by 2 root something. Again go inside the root. This is sine of something. So derivative of sine of something is the cos of something. Again go the angle, sine of something angle is root x. Its derivative is 1 by root x. Again go inside the root. This is x. Independent variable is achieved. Independent variable is reached. So the derivative is terminated. Or otherwise, in other way, derivative of x with respect to x, dx by dx is 1. So you remember, when the process terminates, till we reach at the independent variable or till we reach the derivative as 1 at the last, then our process terminates. Now take another complicated example so that you will clarify more. Now take another example. Y equal to 1 by ln 10 cos 1 by x. Therefore dy by dx equal to d by dx of y means this one, 1 by ln 10 cos 1 by x. Which equal to d by dx of ln of 10 of cos of 1 by x whole power minus 1. Now I will write the answer directly in the row. Then I will explain the steps of chain rule. See here the derivative of ln some 10 cos 1 by x whole power minus 1. That means variable power constant. If constant to the power variable, then use formula a to the power x. If variable power constant, use the formula x to the power n. So what is the formula for d by dx x to the power n? It is equal to nx to the power n minus 1. Similarly, d by dx of x to the power minus 1 means minus 1 into x to the power minus 1 means minus 1 by x squared. So the formula is d by dx of x to the power minus 1 is a minus 1 by x squared, or derivative of 1 by x. This is 1 by x is the minus 1 by x squared. Here see, this and these are equal. This and this variable are equal. If not, we have to do some extra derivative, or that is known as outside inside formula or rule. Here directly write the formula. Use the formula ln of 10 cos 1 by x power minus 1 means something power minus 1. According that, the answer is minus 1 by something square. What is that something? ln of 10 cos 1 by x whole square. According this formula, d by dx of 1 by something equal to minus 1 by something square. Now go the something part. Something is what? ln. Again use the formula d by dx of ln x. See here d by dx of ln x. The formula is 1 by x. So ln of something is 1 by something. Then if they are same. Now derivative of ln of something is 1 by something. So 1 by 10 cos 1 by x. I am going inside the function. First 1 by something, then derivative of ln, then derivative of 10. Again, what is the something part inside ln? 10 up to something. So 10 derivative is d by dx up to 10x equal to sec square x. So here 10 of something is sec square, something means cos of 1 by x. 10 of something is cos sec square of something. Again go inside 10, this is cos of something. Again derivative of cos x, use the formula for derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So cos of something is minus into minus sin of something, sin of 1 by x. Again go inside cos. What is that? Inside cos there is a 1 by x. So cos of something is not exactly equal to the independent variable. If that something part is not independent variable or not the derivative exactly equal to 1, we have to continue till we get the independent variable or till we get the derivative 1. So cos of something is 1 by x. Again derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Now 1 by something is minus 1 by something square. Now go for something. 1 by something is what here? X. That is exactly equal to the independent variable x. So process terminates. Or derivative of x with respect to x is 1. This is the direct answer. How to find the answer directly without going the steps of chain rule. Now I can use the steps of chain rule. See, adjust it. This to the power minus 1. Here the formula is x to the power n. So inside is something. Here inside is ln of something. That is not in the d of something. So adjust it as d by d ln 10 cos 1 by x. Whatever is given, ln 10 cos 1 by x whole power minus 1 into d ln 10 cos 1 by x whole by dx. I have written directly dx, but in the previous example I have told, see the inside first ln, then inside 10, then inside cos. You can directly adjust it as like the previous example. If you are facing some problem or it is difficult for you to adjust at one step, then you write it that dx, only writing the two steps. Then we will adjust again in the next step. So this minus 1 of minus 1 by ln 10 cos 1 by x whole power minus this is equal to square. Now see here d of ln something, but ln something is not here. Here only the independent variable x. That x is not exactly inside ln. So you have to again adjust. If you can adjust it directly in this step, as like example 3, it is better. If you are not adjusted it or confusing, then to clear the confusion, you can write step by step. Now I adjust it as d by, what is the main function is ln. See, ln something, d something, they are same. If not, adjust. Here ln of 10 something is not here. So adjust as d10 cos 1 by x. If ln 10 cos 1 by x as it into d10 cos 1 by x by dx. You can extend, you can write more steps if you are facing confusion. Now this answer remains as it. this equal to as it remain. Now ln of something, apply the formula. Ln of something is 1 by something, because this part, the ln something is in the denominator, d of something, they are same. They are same means formula is applicable. So this part remain as it, this part is ln of something is 1 by something, 1 by 10 cos 1 by x. Now see this step, d10 cos 1 by x, the formula is d by dx 10x equal to sec square x, when if 10 of angle is same as this independent variable. If not, adjust, here not. Here 10 of something is what? Cos 1 by x. But there is no d of cos 1 by x, so adjust again. Therefore, you can adjust d10 cos 1 by x is the question as it is by d cos 1 by x. Divide means into d cos 1 by x by dx. Now, the answers remain wherever there is the symbol d by dx or d is there, in the next step the answer will be found. If d is eliminated, that means we have applied the formula, right as it. Here already we have the formula applied, so write it is minus 1 by ln 10 cos 1 by x whole square into 1 by 10 cos 1 by x. Now there is a symbol d, so we have to apply the formula. Wherever the symbol d, we have to apply the formula, and after applying the formula, d will be eliminated. Now 10 of something, so this is the sec square something, sec square cos 1 by x. Now see here this formula, d cos 1 by x means cos of something is here. Here cos of something is here, but that something is not here. So again adjust it. So d cos 1 by x by d1 by x. Divide d1 by x means multiply d1 by x, then dx. Now these will remain as it, this part remain as it, this part remain as it, this part remain as it. Finally you will write. Now see this cos of something is answer is minus sine of something, minus sine of something, because these are same. The formula is d by dx sine x equal to, d by dx cos x equal to minus sine x, when these are same. Here 1 by x, 1 by x, so minus sine of 1 by x. Now see here 1 by x, whether we will adjust again or directly find it, or the process terminates. See 1 by something, that something part is the x, that is independent variable whose derivative is 1, so the process terminates, no need to adjust further. Therefore 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square, and something part is x here with respect to x, so the process terminates. So final answer is, our final answer is minus 1 by ln 10 cos 1 by x whole square into 1 by 10 cos 1 by x into sec square cos 1 by x into minus, here minus, here minus, there are two minus, so it becomes plus. Therefore this is a plus, no need to write here 1 minus, here another minus, sine 1 by x, again sorry another minus is here, so 3 minus means there is a minus in the outside, again it is 1 by x square. The final answer is this one. I have already told you how to find the direct answer, no need of these steps, we can go directly this one. And as like previous example 3, we can adjust it in one step here only, no need of adjusting in each step. If there is a confusion, you can adjust it at each step. Or no confusion, after doing some questions, after solving many problems, you will be acquainted more and we can find the answer directly. See, 1 by something minus 1 by something square. Again, the something is not independent variable x, it is ln something. So derivative of ln something is 1 by something. Again, ln formula is applied. Then go for inside 10 something. Derivative is x square something. Again go inside something, 10 something is cos something derivative is minus sin something. Yet. Again go inside something is 1 by x, whose derivative is minus 1 by x square. Again 1 by something means something is x, process terminates. Or derivative is 1. So this is the answer. In this way, we can use the chain rule and find. Those are not conversant with this or not written from this board, I have attached the PDF file along with this video, so you can download the PDF file and read what I have explained, that is written in that PDF file. You can also refer that. Thank you.